Hi, I'm Anna McGinnis with the Rhonda Bever Group, and we want to fill you in on events coming up in the Grand Valley for the month of June. What better way than to start things off than with Mike the Headless Chicken Festival. This is June 1st and June 2nd and will happen out at the Civic Park Center as well as the Main Street in Fruita. It includes a 5K run, a disc golf tournament, a wing and peep eating contest, as well as live music, food, and vendors. Also out in Fruita, June 7th kicks off the Thursday night concert series. This will be 7:30 in the Civic Park Center, and it will be every Thursday throughout the summer. And this year it's being kicked off by local artists Jack and Jill. Switching sides to the other side of the valley, we have the Palisade Bluegrass and Roots Music Festival. This is June 8th through June 10th, and it will be in Riverbend Park in Palisade, and you can get tickets online starting at $25. A new event this year is being hosted by the Ale House as they feature a GJ movie night. This will have the Lego Movie, and this will be great to bring your family and kids. You can sit outside, bring blankets, it's first come, first served, and they will be serving popcorn to enjoy the movie. You have no tickets needed for this. It's at 7 o'clock on June 12th. This is followed by Country Jam, June 14th through the 17th. Enjoy headliners Florida Georgia Line, Miranda Lambert, Brett Eldridge, and Brantley Gilbert. June 15th, we have the opening of the GJ Rockies opening day at Stoker Stadium. This will be at 5 o'clock, followed by the Farmers Market. This starts June 19th, Thursday night. It will be every Thursday from 5:30 to 8:30, and it will continue weekly throughout September. This is a great event downtown that you don't want to miss. This is just a few events that we are highlighting for the month of June in the Grand Valley. So we hope that you mark your calendars and take advantage of some of these fun events, and we hope to see you out there.